Hello and welcome back to the channel. So after my last update on my Hogwarts Castle progress, I had someone comment and ask me how I built these custom windows right here. And so that's what I'm going to show you today. So I actually took a prototype here, and this is what the actual window insert looks like when it's not, attached inside the wall. And basically it's really simple. The way you want to do this is um, I just used, in this case, dark tan 1 by like 8 plates, I guess. And then I alternated with these 1 by 1 trans clear plates for the glass. And then to make the actual window frames, I used, more 1 by 1 dark tan plates like that. So this can actually just break right off into sections. But you can get a better view of how I built these windows. And then since I wanted tan on either side, these are just tan plates on one side. And whatever color you're using on the opposite side, you want to run tiles because you need it to be smooth and not have studs on it. So let me put this back in here like that. And the way I actually attach these into the wall is my walls are 3 studs thick. So I kind of have a prototype. Ignore this missing arch piece right here. It fell off someplace. So I have arches here and here. And then basically what I do is I just sandwich the window right in there in between. And then you can just keep building up your walls right afterwards. Now let's suppose for a second that your walls aren't as thick as mine, like if you're just doing 1 stud thick walls or 2 stud thick walls. The other way you can do this is when you're building, you could actually use snot bricks on one side, and then you can attach these plates straight into the wall with a snot technique. And as long as you're smooth on the other side with tiles, you should be able to continue building right up. But I really like this technique because it allows for more customization. So I'm able to make, the glass panes, as thick or as tall as I want. So you can see over here, these are really skinny because this window is a lot smaller. Or I can make them really tall, or I have one down here where I can make them really short as well. You're not held in with the restrictions of using the prefabricated 2 by 2 by 2 window pieces or whatever those are. So this is the technique that I decided to use because on Hogwarts Castle, it's going to have windows of all different thicknesses and lengths. And so I wanted to be able to have a consistent look throughout the entire build, but not be confined to, I need a window, but I don't have a 2 by 2 spot like those window pieces require. But yeah, this is the really simple insert. You just make these. Cost-wise, I think you're looking about the same as if you were to use the 2 by 2 window pieces with like the window frames themselves aren't very expensive, but it's always like the glass or the lattice pieces that are kind of run you a little bit more. So I got these, I think, trans clear 1 by 1 plates off the Lego Pick-a-Brick. And they were like 4 or 5 cents a piece. So they're not too bad. And you can customize the colors as well. You're not stuck with just the colors the prefabbed pieces come in, which is usually like white, black, or reddish brown. So like I was able to use dark tan and really get a more customizable look. But yeah, if you sandwich these in like I have, once you built up further, these won't come out. And then I also put like a little tile at the bottom for it to rest on because it's awkward if it's resting on top of studs. You'll be able to see cracks in it. But this is the finished product. And as you can see, it has a little bit of wiggle to it, but I mean, it doesn't come out. So I think it works really well, but that's how I did it. And that's how you can make custom windows as well. If you like this video and want to see more updates on my minifig scale Hogwarts Castle or other tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button or like the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.